It's like it's for the kitchen. It's supposed to be like for microwave and stuff right here. But yeah, I measured this and it's perfect size. So yeah, so her medicine stuff. This is her diabetes notebook with all her info. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet, but that's what all her medications were. This is her candies and stuff when she has lows. I probably might stand that up and then keep like juices and stuff up here. This, I'm gonna keep like more medicine stuff, and right here is gonna be all the refills for laundry, like the stuff that I gotta refill there. And then there's 2 of these here and that here, but the stuff that I need to refill is gonna be, this is gonna be laundry, strictly laundry stuff. Scarlett's everyday medication drawer, and this is to go pouch that is ready with her needles and alcohols and stuff. This is what she uses every day. This is her refill needles and stuff for the glucose meter and stuff here. I'm gonna have her insulin pumps in this one, so it's empty. And here's her Dexcom stuff. So she needs alcohol swabs refilled. And this is like the sticky tacky stuff. And yeah, so this is what I'm doing with this. I wanted to show you because I needed this so bad. And then our asthma stuff I'm gonna keep here too. So Scarlet stuff and just all the pills and all that, because the kids are always going to my room looking for it. And I'm gonna put a first aid kit in here. But this is gonna be medical, laundry.